हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सिस्टर पर्सन। तो आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ श्रद्धा कपूर इंस्पायर हेयर स्टाइल, जो बहुत ही इजी और यूनिक है। तो वीडियो को देखते रहिए। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो आगे भी देखना है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और साथ में जो घंटी है उसको भी बजाइए, जिससे मेरे वीडियो से आप नोटिफाई होते रहें। तो चलिए वीडियो को देखते रहिए।
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me. When you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. Seem to get you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you: I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. Something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me. When you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside